Today we are off to the iconic Peel Island, a little secret gem in Brisbane that not too many people know about. So I'm going to take you to this beautiful place and just show you around. Like, it is literally on Brisbane's doorstep. It's about 15-minute ride across on the jet ski, and it is just such a beautiful place. And I think the other thing that makes this place great is the fact that you can't actually get there unless you kind of have a boat. So not even tourist vehicles really operate to go to the island because it's just too shallow on the shores. So that means it's a very secluded piece of paradise. So come along with me as we have this epic day out. Okay, here we are on the iconic Peel Island. Let's take a look. Here you go, people. The iconic Peel Island, or other words known as Tikaroo National Park, as the Aboriginals used to call it. So as you can see, this place has a lot of very rustic tropical beaches. There's a lot of corals out there, as you can see, and yeah, there's toilet facilities as well, but I would advise you bring your own toilet paper. Yeah, but water, food, you got to bring yourself. And yeah, you've just got about 2 k's of untouched beachfront, as you can see. Such a beautiful place. Dolphin. The other great thing about Peel Island is you can camp on its banks for about $9 a night. You just book through the National Parks websites in Australia and you can have this paradise for just $9 a night. It's pretty cheap. And there's even some more private exclusive beaches where there's only a limited number of people, like say 5 or 10 people that can actually book on the site. So then you get like your own little private beaches to yourself. We'll go have a look at those now. Okay, here we have one of these camping areas, Horseshoe Bay camping area. So, as you can tell, you might have to build a bush toilet somewhere, but that's okay. Yeah, it's just a great little place. Only thing, it may be a touch too hot in the summer months. Probably spring or winter or autumn are your better times, although winter, just make sure you bring good thermals with you. All right, let's keep going. One of the great things about this paradise is the further down the beach you get, the shallower it gets, so it even gets harder for the bigger boats to get here. So if you want your own tropical paradise where you can just relax and you've got a very small vessel, this is the place to be. You can just come here just before high tide, camp your jet ski here, and there you have it. You've got your own little piece of paradise to yourself. Absolutely amazing. To finish up this trip now, we're going to go and have a look at one of the more secluded little campsites. As I'm very short on battery time, we will shoot over there as quickly as we can just so you can have a good look. Here is our last stop, the last campsite, that private one I was telling you about, where it's very limited numbers. This is called Platypus Bay. Once again, no toilets, but you just think about it, you got this whole tropical paradise here, just to yourselves and your family or your friends. Complete with an old broken down wharf where you can fish on, and you can even snorkel off at the wrecks just around there. Well, thank you so much for coming with us to Peel Island today. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, your subscriptions do help such channels like this to keep going. So please subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful Monday.